Welcome to our series of videos to help you get started in Plottr and to navigate the account section of the Plottr website. And in this video, we're going to look at deactivating a license in Plottr. Now, you may want to deactivate a license for several reasons. If you're upgrading to a new computer, you'll want to deactivate the license on the old computer so you can install on the new computer. Or if you upgrade your license from an annual subscription to a lifetime membership. And in this video, we'll show you how to do that. There are two places you can deactivate a license. The first is on the dashboard under the Accounts section. Here on the right-hand side, you'll see a button to remove license. Simply click here, and it will ask to confirm. And now you have removed the license from Plottr. And to show you the second place you can uninstall the license, I'm going to put the license back in. So I'll click on I have a license key. And when it asks to verify my license, I'll add it and click verify. Now you can see my license has been reinstalled. Also under the account section of the dashboard, there is a device ID. And this will help us if we want to deactivate the license in the My Account section of the Plottr website. So let's go to the website and see how we do this. Here we are in the Plottr website. And in the top right, we can simply click Login and enter our email address and password. And click Login. And in the section with the license key, there's an area to manage devices. If you click here, it will show you all of the devices, whether it's a computer, phone, or tablet that are associated with this Plottr license. So here is the device ID that matches the installation I just showed you. I can come over to Actions and select Deactivate Device. And now the license has been removed once again. So as you can see, you can either remove a license from the account section on the dashboard or your account on the Plottr website. So that covers how to deactivate a device for Plottr. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And if you found this information useful, be sure to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for all our latest information and updates. And I'll see you in the next video.